What's up, y'all? It's Jonathan Perez. Some of y'all might know me as the SgmCashoutKing on YouTube or from other previous businesses, but I want to give y'all 5 reasons why y'all should join Myecon. Before we get into reason number 1, shout out to Team SGM. Yeah, we here to get this bag. But anyways, let's get into reason number 1. So reason number 1 is the products. I'm gonna turn this screen around so I can show you some of them right now. So as you can see right here, we're on my back office. So right here, as you can see, the smart credit system, they have the discount traveling, they have the income shifting, as you can see right here, and also we have the cashback mall. Like I said, the smart credit system that helps you build your credit, maybe from 100 points and up. Like I said, usually when you go get your credit done, you go to people and you got to pay $300, $400, $500, whatever it is, and the people have your information right here with your own system. It shows you everything you need to do, and nobody's gonna have your information. The same thing with the income shifting. If you're a person that works a 9 to 5, and let's just say you get paid $400 a week and they tax you about $200. Let's just say, right, with the income shift, it shows you how to redo your W-4. So when you do your W-4, instead of you getting $400, let's just say you get $500 back. You know what I'm saying? Instead of $400, so that's an extra $100 a week on your paycheck you're gonna get. So that's an extra $400 a month, which is powerful. You know what I'm saying? So right now with the discount traveling as well, that's Priceline. Excuse me. That's Priceline right there, and you get discounts on your own travel, and also the cashback mall. Let me click the cashback mall. I can just give you a little example. Like I said, I'm not trying to stay too long on the first reason why you should join Myecon. As you can see, everything back here, you know, Walmart and stuff like that. You can go through here. As you can see right here, you see Walmart and all this stuff right here. Like I said, there's a lot of cash back you can get. You know how many people under my team got at least $200 back from cash back from shopping back to school for their kids? Like I said, it's very powerful, but when you join Myecon, you're gonna see everything there. So like I said, this is reason number 1 why you should join Myecon. And the second reason why you should join Myecon is that you don't need a huge following. You don't need a huge following on Facebook, on Instagram, YouTube, nothing. You don't need a huge following, because the training that we provide is gonna get you over that. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you don't need a huge following. You know what I mean? You could get 4 solid people on your team, and they could build their team, and then you can make a huge income. Like I said, just by you bringing in 4 solid people, you know, 4 quality people. It's not like you need a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? The key is building a solid team, and you're definitely gonna win. You know what I mean? And also, like I said, Myecon, if you got a job, Myecon is gonna be an extra income for some of y'all. It might retire y'all or whatever the case may be. But also, you need an emailing system. An emailing system is gonna help you get to the masses and talk to all these people at once. So that same emailing system is going to bring you income as well, because it's going to bring you in people in from Myecon. And when people that you bring in from Myecon, you also going to make them get that system. And that system also pays you weekly and pays you monthly residual. Like I said, so it's a win-win. It's like you got a system that's helping you make money on one system, that's paying you in both systems, is paying you at the same time. So in order to be a millionaire, you need 7 strong incomes coming in. Like I said, and that's 2 right there that could possibly set you as a 6-figure earner. You know what I'm saying? So that's the second reason why you should join Myecon. And the third reason why you should join Myecon, because you don't need any marketing experience. Like I said, you don't need to be a marketer to join this business. So many people getting paid joining this business. Like I'm talking about so many people getting paid with no experience. All you need is a great team, like I said, which I'm gonna help you get, and you need great training, which I'm gonna provide for you. Let me show you all these people that's getting paid. So as you can see right here, look at people's checks. Look at people's checks. Let me show you. Payment proof. Post your checks, big or small. So big or small, don't matter what you got paid. There's people posting checks. You see those? Let me click that right there. So let me give you an example. That's somebody's check right there. But they got paid. Let me see it, get close up right there. See, I can focus. You see right there, 800, 900, 2,000. It's like on and on. Whoever that is, congratulations to them. There's so many people that's winning. Look, more right here. Click another one. Hold on 1 second. Click another one right here. Can't see through the camera. That's somebody else. Look, they went from 53 to 239 to 280, and that was in August 17. We in September 12, so I could imagine where that person's at. Look, there's more checks, more checks. More, hold on, let me get me focused. Sorry about that. Out of focus. More checks, more checks. So many people winning. So many people. Look at all these checks. There's gonna be more. Look, everybody that's getting paid. Look at that. I'm scrolling fast, and all you see is people's checks. Non-stop. That's my team winning. All my team winning. Like I said, from generation to generation. That could be you. So that's the third reason why you should join Myecon. Let me see how much this person earned before I get into a fourth reason. Look at these numbers. 4,000 some change. Let me focus on this again right here. Look at these numbers. 4,000 and some change. 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 2,000, 2,000. Need I say more? Need I say more, man? Let me get into the fourth reason why you should join Myecon. This after the third reason, that should be enough for you to join. You should be running to my the link in the description and signing up ASAP. But let me get into the fourth reason why you should join Myecon, because it's not only about the money. And the fourth reason why you should join Myecon, you seen the third reason. Those numbers were big, those checks were big for a reason. The fourth reason, because there's 5 ways for you to get paid. Yeah, I said it, 5 ways. You got your personal sales, you got your team sales, you got your dream team residuals, you got your product sales, and you got your base shop. So that's 5 ways you can get paid. That's why people having big checks. If you old enough, you ever played in the casino, or even played a game in the casino, where there's 5 ways you can get paid, or to win a game, it's 5 ways in a slot. Like I said, so if you don't hit 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're getting paid if you don't get hit 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5 is getting you paid, because there's 5 ways to get paid with Myecon. You know what I'm saying? So if 1, 2, and 3, if you're not doing well there, 4 and 5 is probably getting you paid, or vice versa. If you're getting paid for 1, 2, and 3, and you're not selling no products or anything else, you're still getting paid from your team residuals, and your base shop. You get what I'm saying? So that's what makes it even insane. Like 5 ways to get paid. Like I'm not really selling no products like that. I'm using them, but I'm not really selling like that. I'm getting massive income because, like I said, my personal sales, my team, and my base shop. You know what I'm saying? And once I get the residuals and I get the products, it's gonna be over. It's no telling where I'm gonna go. I'm looking at 7 figures probably. You know what I'm saying? By the end of, you know what I'm saying, 2019 and summer 19. Who knows? Like, there's no time limit. There's no time limit on that. Excuse me. When you're gonna become a millionaire or a 6-figure earner or whatever, it's just up to you, up to your grind. You know what I'm saying? So that's the fourth reason why you should join Myecon. So the fifth and final reason why you should join Myecon, because me getting you paid gets me paid. So like I said, me getting you a check gets me even a bigger check. So it makes plenty of sense, because it's all about teamwork. So if you join Myecon today with the link in the description below, like I said, my next 2 signups, I'm gonna put them under you. You're gonna send me your link, and I'm gonna put them under you, because like I said, me getting you into executive vice president or getting you to the next rank, you know what I'm saying, gets me more money, which makes plenty of sense. Like I said, so me helping you get paid helps me get paid. That's the whole point of the concept. You know what I'm saying? So it's a team effort. It's not like the previous business that once you're in, is, you're all for yourself. You're never gonna be left alone, because your success is my success. That's the point of the game. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, if you want to join me today, the link will be in the description below. But let me give you a little bit motivation. Like I said, I got all the freedom in the world. I don't work a job. I don't wake up to no alarm. You know what I'm saying? I don't have to rush to clock in. You know what I'm saying? Go to a job that I hate, the people that I hate. You know what I'm saying? A boss that I hate. You know what I'm saying? Every day saying the same thing. Oh, I hate my job. Or I can't wait to go home. You tired, you can't take a vacation. Or you just going on your lunch break, but you got an hour lunch break. Even worse, if you had half an hour lunch break like I did in my last job. Had a half an hour lunch break. By the time I get on the line, like, it'll take me like 15 minutes. 15 minutes. To get my lunch, or 10 minutes. By the time I sit down, I already got to rush back with my food still in my hand. You know what I'm saying? Leave it in my locker room. By the time the day comes, my food is spoiled. You know, my food is spoiled. So now I just wasted money that I ain't even making, you know what I mean, on food that I can't even eat. You know what I mean? Because I got to rush back for a job, or I could get fired. You know what I'm saying? They could find somebody else to do my job. One of y'all right now is probably living that life, that's watching this video right now, and y'all scared to take a risk and a leap of faith. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all, you know what I'm saying, y'all so comfortable of getting that knowing that check for next week is gonna be there. But like I said, it's all about taking a chance. Like I said, what do you got to lose? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Change your life. Like I said, it's a simple step. Like I said, you're working hard for your money. Like I said, take a leap of faith. Like just like the person you work for, he took a leap of faith. Then nobody can give him that. He probably went through a lot of failures before he made it. You know what I'm saying? Before he got it right. Like I said, it's a small investment of $35. Like I said, you know what I mean? One of these, let me show you. 20 and a third. I don't have change for that like right now, but you see all this money, I made all this from home. Like I said, no job, all this from home. And there's more where that came from. Like I said, obviously I'm not gonna go on my account. I just, like I said, little play money, little money I have on me, because you can't always have everything in your account. But just the point, I made that from home, like I said, and this could be you too. So like I said, if you want to join my team now, it's not about the money. I don't want you joining just for the money. Like I said, that's part of it, but I don't just want you in there, oh, if I don't make this money, you know what I'm saying, within this week or this month, I'm quitting. If that's shoot, don't even bother. It takes time, you know what I'm saying. For some people it don't, but it takes time, and like I said, it takes dedication. You got to be serious about everything, you know what I'm saying. So definitely click the link in the description below and get started. I'll see you on the inside. But don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink, I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink, I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink, I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink.